What if one affordable camera could make your videos look like they were shot by a professional filmmaker? Stay until the end, you might be surprised.
Meet the Canon EOS R50, one of the most popular mirrorless cameras for beginners, vloggers, and YouTube creators. The fully articulating touchscreen makes filming yourself simple, whether you're creating YouTube videos or live streaming. Its intelligent dual-pixel autofocus keeps your face and eyes perfectly sharp, even while you're moving. Capture beautiful 4K video packed with crisp detail and vibrant colors that instantly elevate your content. Smile! Perfect! The large APS-C sensor delivers impressive image quality and gorgeous. Whether you're filming sports, travel, or family moments, the autofocus keeps up effortlessly.
Lightweight and compact, the EOS R50 is easy to carry anywhere your next adventure takes you. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you quickly share your content to your phone for fast editing and uploading. Even in lower light, the camera produces bright, clean footage that looks natural and detailed. It's an excellent choice for creators who want professional quality videos without spending thousands of dollars.
If you're looking for one of the best beginner mirrorless cameras, the Canon EOS R50 deserves a place at the top of your list. Like, subscribe, and let us know.
From vlogging and travel to photography and content creation, this camera is built to help you create with confidence.